Hi, hello. I hope everyone is doing great, amazing, fine, motivated, accelerated, lit on fire for life. You know what? I just hope y'all are doing well, okay? So today, let's see what we're going to be cash stuffing, because we will be cash stuffing my high priority binder. Now, like I explained before, this money in here is for bills, but some of the bills we pay, off of the debit card. But my goal is to, get it like where I have a month in each one. It's not really happening quite like that, but that is my goal, because one day I'm going to have a pot of gold. I'm going to have a big bag of money, a big bag of loot, some ducats, some skrilla, as they say in Detroit, some shmoney. One day we all gonna have it. We got this, we got it. And one day it will be a month where I can say, here, a month, this is for the upcoming month. That's my goal. So today we're gonna be cash stuffing $5, $10, $15, $20, $21, $22. $22, y'all. Everybody say 22, $22. All right, here we go. 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 Bless these envelopes, bless these binders, bless us. All right. Here we go. All right, y'all. So, rent, I have to get a money order for y'all, but I'm going to put it in there. I didn't even add this onto it, and I'm not going to even add this in the title of the video, because I'm just going to put it in here because, I'm going to put it in here because I have to get a money order this upcoming week, and I don't have it all yet. And this is not all our rent either. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just gonna keep her safe in here in this housing rent until I get paid this weekend, and then we'll be able to pay more towards the rent. Okay. All right. So we're gonna just put that in there, and we won't even be counting that on there. All right. So let's see. Car. Nope. Ain't worrying about that no more. Not right now. So insurance is gonna get $2. And it was already let's see. So we put the 2 in here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in insurance. I'm trying to get this up to like 100 and start there. So, okay, that won't be getting anything. That won't. Daquan, we're going to go ahead and start him this challenge over. We're going to mark this right here, that 5, and we're going to put for pet care for Daquan. We're going to give him $5. See if we can knock that out, because he went to the groomer 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. It was 2 weeks ago, so we got to fill that back up. And we've been mixing his dog food with wet food too, so now that's an extra expense. So entertainment won't be getting anything. Wi-Fi will be getting $5. Wi-Fi will be getting $5, and we have some money in there already. So now I have $5, $6, $7, $8 in Wi-Fi. Water will also be getting $5. Now it's already $5 in here, so we're gonna go ahead and put another 5, and that's 10. Mind you, y'all, I'm saving up for us to have 1 month. We've been paying this stuff, but I want to save so we can have 1 month to just give the people here. And we don't need that money to come out of, because right now we like pay it as they come. Here we trying to pay catch up. We knocking them out, y'all. Like we hitting them as they come, like a lot of Americans. And then electric is going to get $5. It already had 5 in there, so now it has 10, and it's all good. Sorry for the noise. My whole family is here. So look. I'm still trying to find it. I have another, Lorenzo, just one moment. Just one moment, you guys. Sorry about that. My husband on the phone, y'all. Daddy Will on the phone. Look, Lorenzo, somebody tipped him these at the car wash. He work at the car wash. So I don't know if I want to put them in there, y'all. I'm just gonna set them on top. I don't think I want to put them in there with the real coin, with the other coins, because I don't know that, you know, they could be collectibles in my eyesight. Okay, you guys, I want everyone to have a blessed day, and see you guys later on the next video. Bye.